Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and all are preparing for exams right now. Yes? Yes, my dear students. While preparing for exams, every student hopes of getting good marks. But due to fear of exams, they are unable to score good marks. So here Mrs. Nikita presenting before you some study strategies and some tips that will help you to gain good marks in your upcoming exams, and it will also help you to overcome the fear of exams. So let's go started. Tip number 1. Effective time management. You have probably heard this: if you don't value time, time won't value you. It is one of the most important things that you should take care of. Start by maintaining a proper timetable. Make a plan of what you want to work on each study session. Break it down into small tasks and work on one task at a time. Tip number 2. Locate your weak points. It is one of the most important aspects to consider while preparing for any exams. For example, if you are weak in maths, it might scare you and you will try to avoid it as much as you can. But make an habit to include the tough subject in your study plan so that you won't feel the burden towards the end. Tip number 3. Learn with pictures. When you look at any billboard or poster, what's the first thing you notice? Images or text? Images, yes. An image attracts more to your mind as compared to theory. Learning concept with the help of diagrams and pictures makes it easier to remember, and it also helps in the quick revision before the exams. Tip number 4. Finding the scoring section. In every exam, there is at least one or even multiple sections where one can easily score marks. Locate the scoring section and get ready yourself to crack it. Tip number 5. Yoga and meditation. Yoga is one of the most powerful techniques to boost your concentration and to stay healthy. Doing meditation for 30 minutes can increase your concentration up to 20%. Those students who are having a serious problem of concentration can meditate and focus their mind. Tip number 6. Last but not the least, believe in yourself. Develop a positive mind setup. Yes, children, don't compare yourself with others. Never let negative thoughts come over. For example, I can't do this, I'm going to fail. Don't do this. Always have some positive attitude and positive thought that yes, I can do this. Yes, I can crack this question. And you can see, children, trust me and believe that self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. So all the best for your exams and do well. So all this for today. I'll be catching you next Sunday capsule. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe our SFS YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.